Eat 'em. Eat 'em. You need to get me a fork.
Alright, I'll get you one. Still fighting sickness here. I'm sitting down to a very big lunch. Ruben's lunch. Becky's feeding herself.
She's making a big bed.
You want to be big too, don't you? Wow! So since I have a cough, I am doing lots of sinus comfort and bronchial wellness tea. I love these for coughs. 4 times a day. I also put this bronchial wellness in my tea. What you doing? Are you walking? Yay! Phew! I've also been taking the kids' cold and cough and cold and mucus. I need to buy more of this because it's almost empty. And that one Becky had that you saw earlier that she was holding, it actually is empty, so I need to get more of that. And then my favorite vapor rub. They have a kid kind, and this is for over 2. So we're really trying to cut back on TV when Becky takes a nap because I hold her. So I've set up a sticker area, coloring, and Play-Doh for Ruben that he can play while Becky naps. What do you think? I'm about to get her and see if she'll take a nap now. You want a nap? Are you eating a mandarin orange? Yummy orange. Yeah. Big brother shared his orange with her. Becky and I took a beautiful nap. Now the kids are eating some pork with barbecue sauce on it. I'm still trying to get well. And I'm gonna clean the kitchen. Did you like your pork?
Uh-huh.
He also has some leftover chipotles here and some granola that he didn't finish yesterday. Did you like your pork? Mom, was it yummy? Looks like you just licked all the barbecue sauce off of it. Do you need a bath? Yeah?